Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a beautiful 2021 Nautique G23 that we just took in on trade. We're going to start off on this exterior here, and you will see this beautiful crimson metal flake. Sparkles really nice in the sun. You have a mystic white hull bottom. You're going to have a jet black hull rear here. Looking up at the tower, mystic white accent with jet black as well. Just ties in great with this entire boat. Moving back here, your gas fill is located right here. It's on dual sides. At the back of the boat, big swim platform, cup holders on each side. You have a mystic white platform here. Looks really sharp with the hull bottom, matches nicely. You have a ladder that comes out. Down below, your Nautique surf pipe right here. Your steering assist is located right here. You're gonna have your NSS here, your NCRS is down here, okay? Looking up, back up to the platform. You have a little grab handle right here to get you up and out of the water a little bit easier. You're gonna have a nice walkway into the boat. You won't be stepping on any upholstery, which is great. You do have an integrated cooler back here too, so a lot of nice creature comforts in this boat. Now let's go check out the inside. As you can see, we made our way into the interior, and I'm sitting up in this very spacious bow. You know, on a good day I'm 5'9". You could say I'm 5'8", but you have a lot of space up here in the bow. You can fully lay out. You'll see in the middle here, you have this nice bow filler cushion. You can actually turn that over to the sea deck side, and it's a full walkway out the bow, okay? One thing I'll point out too that I think is really cool is this little pop-out air dam. Close off the windshield, turn your boat heaters on, and you'll stay nice and warm and extend your boating season into October. As we walk in towards the cockpit area, you're gonna have your trash can access here, a recessed glove box, which makes it easy for the driver to see through the windshield without any obstruction here. You do have plenty of space though in this glove box here. Your head unit for the JL audio system is in there as well. The interior color is tungsten gray, so looking at that, it is very beautiful. It's a little bit darker, so you're not gonna see a lot of dirt or really any shoe prints, that sort of thing. So it's a very popular color. Looking at the helm here, beautiful, beautiful captain's chair. You have your armrest with the encoded rotary dial here, which controls the link pan array. The link pan array is also a touchscreen, so there's two different ways to control that. You have your 3-spoke steering wheel, leather wrapped, very, very nice, okay? Moving back, you'll see there's just tons of space. All of these seats are gonna flip up. Sea deck lined in the compartments, so it's just finished off nicely. All the seats are on supported hinges, so you're not lifting a seat up and moving it somewhere. They're stationary, lift the seat up with the hinge. You can access whatever you need to in there, okay? And I want to point out this beautiful walkway here that's got sea deck on top. It's very wide too, so it's not narrow, so you're not going to be hitting yourself on any of this upholstery as you walk through. Because it's a nice walk through here, you're not stepping on any upholstery when you enter this boat. So you'll keep the longevity of the vinyl throughout the years. It'll stay in a better condition because you're not continuously stepping on it. Again, you have sea deck up on top here in certain spots that you can easily step and board into the boat. As I open up these two compartments, they're huge. This is all storage. This has a cover in it right now, but this side is full of space. Put your boards in there, put your towel bags, fenders, dock lines. It's a great space. It's a lot of space because it has all in-floor factory ballast. So they've thought this boat through very well. You have 2 transom seats in the back that you can sit on when the boat is anchored and not moving. And other than that, this is the 2021 Nautique G23, located here at the MarineMax Rogers store. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. We'd be happy to walk you through. Otherwise, come stop by. Thank you.